Do you have low back pain when you stand for a long period of time? Does it feel like your back feels more and more tired the longer you stand? If you do, you might need to improve your core endurance. The best way to improve core endurance in the standing position is by practicing the plank exercise. Today, I'm going to show you 3 levels of beginner plank exercise, starting from the easiest level. But before you start doing planks, you have to know how to activate your Transversus Abdominis muscle, or TA for short. If you don't activate your TA while you're doing planks, these exercises do nothing for your low back pain. Have you ever felt bloated and still tried to fit into an old pair of pants? You suck in your stomach to button your pants. Guess what? When you suck in your stomach, you are activating your TA. It is easy to suck in your stomach for 1 second to button your pants, but it's not so easy to suck in your stomach for a whole minute. This is why these exercises aren't as simple as you think. The first exercise is the wall plank. Stand in front of a wall, put your hands on the wall, straighten your arms, activate your TA. Start to walk your feet backwards, and when you start to feel increased pressure in your lower back, stop and hold this position. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then rest. Remember to keep breathing throughout this exercise. If you hold your breath, you will get tired quickly. The second exercise is the plank at countertop or vanity top. This is the same exercise as the wall plank, except your hands are at the edge of the countertop instead of the wall. Hold the position for 30 seconds and then rest. If this position is painful for you, even though you're holding the activation of your TA throughout the exercise, you might not be ready for this level of plank yet, and should go back to practicing your wall planks until your core gets stronger. The third exercise is the full plank on the floor. You can start in the kneeling position, hands and knees position, with your hands on the floor and your knees on the floor. Keep your arms straight. When you are ready, activate your TA and straighten your knees. Stay on your toes. Hold this position for up to 30 seconds and then rest. If your pain increases immediately when you hold this position, even though you have activated your TA throughout the exercise, you might not be ready for this exercise, and instead of this exercise, you should go back to practicing the previous exercise until your core gets stronger. If you want to completely recover from your low back pain, please visit your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program. If you found this video helpful and would like to watch a similar core exercise video for beginners in a different position, please check out my other video going over core exercises with TA activation in the supine position.